Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
In a meadow bright where the wildflowers sway, 5 ducks waddled forth in the soft light of day. With feathers like sunshine and quacks full of cheer, they danced by the pond where their hearts knew no fear. But one golden morn as they splashed through the reeds, a butterfly fluttered on delicate beads. Her wings were a canvas of colors so rare, she sparkled like jewels in the warm summer air. Ducks paused their play, eyes wide with delight. "Look there," cried young Dilly, "what a wonderful sight! A creature so lovely with grace in her flight. Let's follow her trail till we're lost in her light." So off they set marching, quack, quack went their song, through clover and daisies where sweet scents belong. With each tiny step came a whispering breeze, the world felt enchanted beneath swaying trees. But soon little Dilly found herself lagging behind. The magic was fleeting, a treasure hard to find. "Wait up," she called softly as they sped along fast. The others grew distant, how long could this last? Just then from above came a flurry of wings. That butterfly circled and danced on bright strings. She hovered near Dilly with kindness so clear. "Dear friend," she said gently, "there's nothing to fear." In awe at that moment, the bond between them, Dilly felt courage bloom deep within her stem. "I'll chase you," she promised, "with all of my might." And together they soared into shimmering light. Now 5 ducks are united with dreams that take flight. Their laughter rings out like a melody bright. For life is an adventure when love leads the way. Just 5 little ducks and a butterfly's sway.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.